Hello guys, what do you guys think this is? You guys must be thinking, what's all this stuff? Yes, it is smart traffic control system. Who had thought there will be automation of traffic? But it's happening. Yes, it is. Traffic lights or traffic signals are signaling devices that are used to control the flow of traffic. Generally, they are positioned at junctions, intersections, X roads, etc. and alternate the priority of who has to wait and who has to go. The traffic lights will provide instructions to the users by displaying lights of standard color. In this project, an Arduino based traffic light controller is designed. It is simply implementation of traffic light system but can be extended to a real-time system with programmable timings. Let's see in details. Starting with equipments required: 4-way junction, 4 IR sensors, Arduino Uno, breadboard, connecting wires like male to male, male to female, female to female, 8-core cable and normal single strand wires, black tape, screwdriver, 8 LEDs, 4 red and 4 green.
Let us know about the working of this smart traffic control system. This is an IR sensor. It produces light energy when the current is supplied. It detects the light with the help of a photodiode. The IR sensor detects an obstacle with the help of reflected IR light. The white or light surfaces reflect more light than the dark surfaces, so there is a difference in the voltage detection. When we place an object in front of this IR sensor, the LED of the IR sensor glows, which means the light is getting reflected back from the surface of the obstacle and it is being received by the photodiode of the IR sensor. This is an Arduino Uno board. It is a microcontroller board for our project. It is an open source hardware and software development platform. Coming to the connections done on the Arduino Uno, the 4 IR sensors, IR sensor 1, IR sensor 2, IR sensor 3 and IR sensor 4. 4 sensors are connected to the digital pin 8, 9, 10, 11 respectively, and the VCC and the ground of all the IR sensors are connected to the 5 volt and the ground pin of the Arduino Uno. The positive terminal of all the green LEDs are connected to the digital pin 0, 1, 2, 3 respectively, and the positive pins of the red LEDs are connected with the digital pin 4, 5, 6, 7 respectively. And all the red LEDs and green LEDs negative terminals are connected with the ground of the Arduino Uno board. As you can see, a car is placed in the lane number 2 in front of the IR sensor, and the traffic light on the side of lane number 2 is showing green and the other 3 sides are showing red, which means the smart traffic control system is working properly. The IR sensor placed on one side of the road facing the road detect the vehicles. The IR sensors are placed at a distance from the junction. The Arduino Uno reads the data from the IR sensors. It determines the traffic density in each lane, then it controls traffic signals based on the density.
Coming to the programming part, first we initialize the variables for IR sensor in which input for sensor is set. In this program we have two functions, setup and low, and they are of void type, that is they do not return any value. In setup function there is a variable called DDRD and it stands for direction register for off port D. DDRD is equal to B 8 ones. It represents that all the LED pins are set as output. the variable port D is used for setting pins to high or low values, and port D is equal to B 8 zeros. It indicates that all the pins are set as low or 0. We are considering that there are 5 cases. In case 1, there is heavy traffic at road 1, so we switch on the green LED signal of road 1 and red LED signal of road 1 is switched off, whereas all other road the red LED signal will be turned on and green LED signal will be turned off. Similarly, we consider the case for road 2, road 3 and road 4. In case 5, we are considering that there is no traffic at any of the 4 roads, so the traffic lights will be turned on automatically and turned off automatically serial wise. Like in road 1, first of all the green signal will be turned on and the red signal will be turned off, and in all other roads the red signal will be turned on whereas the green signal is turned off. After that the green LED signal will be turned on for road 2. Similarly, it happens for all the 4 roads. So we are providing a delay signal to it.
Now all of you know how to create a smart traffic control system using Arduino. Thus the proposed system set the green signal time additively according to the traffic density at the signal and ensure that the direction with more traffic is allotted a green signal for longer duration of time as compared to the direction with lesser traffic. This will lower the unwanted delays and reduce congestion and waiting time, which in turn will reduce the fuel consumption and pollution.